flights being cancelled at Srinagar airport with the bad weather disrupting the operations. Snowfall has hit flight movement with passengers facing some chaos. In fact, the airlines have also issued advisories because the visibility remains very poor. So 22 flights have been cancelled at the Srinagar airport because of the weather conditions. You're looking at the visuals on your screens, and operations have been disrupted because of the snowfall in the area. Several passengers have been impacted because of the bad weather conditions, and it looks like in the coming hours as well, the situation could be similar. My colleague Sahil Sohail joins us on the broadcast with the details. Sahil, we're looking at the snowfall in Srinagar, but that has very clearly led to multiple disruptions.
Well, exactly. After a long wait, Kashmir Valley is receiving, in fact, snowfall. It's major snowfall, in fact, season's first major snowfall, and this has disrupted air and surface transport modes. In fact, the Srinagar airport has cancelled around 22 flights today in the morning because of this heavy snowfall. There were snow clearance operations also started, and in fact, the machinery was pressed into service to clear the runway. At the same time, Srinagar-Jammu National Highway has been closed because of the snow accumulation in Kazigund, South Kashmir. The other, in fact, roads that connect Kashmir Valley with the rest of the country, including Sinthan Top Road or Mughal Road, have been also closed. Srinagar-Leh Highway has also been closed because of the snowfall in Sonmarg and Zojila Pass. On your screen or the visuals, in fact, at this point in time, it's also snowing. The one road that we are reporting from is the Gulmarg-Tangmarg Road, and it's under snow. Very less, in fact, traffic movement on this particular road, although the mechanical department had, in fact, initially in the morning cleared this road, in fact, made it one way, but it's continuously snowing, and the meteorological department in Srinagar said that the coming days will be similar. In fact, till in the evening, this heavy snowfall will continue. It started late last evening in South Kashmir as well as in North Kashmir. There were, in fact, strong winds in the evening. In Srinagar alone, the wind speed recorded was around 83 km per hour, and that has impacted the electricity network in Kashmir Valley. 50% electricity network is down in Srinagar district alone, while it has, in fact, completely impacted in South and North Kashmir because of the snowfall and because of those heavy winds. 100% electricity network is down. So locals basically facing and struggling because of this heavy snowfall and the weather conditions in Kashmir Valley. But at the same time, tourists who come to visit Kashmir often enjoy this snowfall. They wait for this snowfall, and it's, in fact, the major snowfall of this season. That was, in fact, people in Kashmir Valley, tourists, although had waited for the snowfall for a long period of time now. It's because of the western disturbances that it started impacting Kashmir's weather late in the evening, and with the result, the snowfall started firstly from the mountain areas in North Kashmir, and then it gradually started in South Kashmir as well, and now in Srinagar, in fact, also receiving snowfall. So a major relief for Kashmir, for people in Kashmir, particularly for the farming community, because the snowfall is important for the horticulture sector, and at the same time it recharges the natural water resources of Kashmir Valley, including the glaciers in the Himalayas. And that is the source of basically the irrigation and other water supplies in Kashmir Valley.
For the people of Srinagar, and of course for many travelers there as well, this seems like a dream come true. It's beautiful to look at, but there have been multiple disruptions as well, like you mentioned. So do stay with us. Srinagar Airport saying that there is a weather advisory. Continuous snowfall since the early hours of today has impacted flight operations at Srinagar Airport. Passengers may experience multiple delays. That's the advisory that has been given for the passengers to stay in touch and look at the schedules before coming to the airport. Thanking Sohail for joining us with those details. Quick break. We'll be right back.